A recent study called the Sweet Project found that individuals who replaced sugary meals and drinks with items containing sweeteners and sweetness enhancers were able to maintain their weight loss for a full year. Co-author Jason Halford, PhD, stated, "Increasingly, it is becoming apparent that is not the case in long-term studies." While there are risks associated with artificial sweeteners, such as the limited sample size and the use of a general sweetener test, many researchers still approve of their use. Registered dietitian Kylie Bensley mentioned, "There are many more health risks associated with being overweight or obese than there are with consuming artificial sweeteners. So, if temporarily substituting sugar-sweetened food and beverages with artificial sweeteners helps you lose weight, it might be a preferable option. Consider consulting a healthcare professional to see if this approach is right for you." While artificial sweeteners may offer a promising solution for weight management, it's essential to approach their use with caution and moderation. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can help individuals make informed decisions about incorporating artificial sweeteners into their diet for weight loss purposes.